Hi Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 21st of May. Capricorn, it may get a little loud because bitches want attention. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Capricorn. We got the 5 of Wands. Yeah, a lot of fighting, a lot of distractions, or a lot of people around you, making a lot of noise, starting chaos. I'm getting people want you to be a part of this tit for tat, but I'm getting you're better than them. And that's why you don't even say shit, okay? We got the 10 of Swords. Or I'm getting Capricorn something about somebody want you to be in a fight with them. I'm getting the fight rig. So somebody want to jump you, or I'm getting somebody have a knife in them back pockets, right? Like the video what I say with the two girls a fight, and the girl instigate the fight, and she instigate the fight and everything, and the girl end up swing her and she lick her head on her thing and she dead. Her nose start bleed instantly, dead, right? So I'm getting somebody want to set you up, or a group of people want to set you up. I'm getting they know everything rig. Them one person that you saw, one person have out them phone. Yeah, somebody want to get you to fight again. Yeah, the Page of Cups. But I'm getting you minding your own business. Or I'm getting someone wants you to act like an animal, right? But I'm getting you so sweet, you're so feminine, you're so gentle, right? Leave these other bitches or just to be fighting. You're over here minding your own fucking business, right? Great. It's jealousy. That's what the fuck it is. Do you not have you forgotten? We got go outside and LGBTQAI. So I'm getting this is all of Peru just declared anybody who is a part of the LGBTQAI community to be mentally ill. I feel like anybody who's a part of the community should be under suicidal watch because, I mean, they are known to commit suicide when they can't get them way. Let's go again, right? Or maybe somebody wanted you to be a part of a march, some type of march. No, you're not a blood clot. What you march for? You're Martin Luther King. What the fuck you're marching for? Cuddle. Or someone wants you to lay in bed with them and cuddle with them. It's not gay. Yes, the fuck it is. What the fuck? Get this fucking...